Igbanke is a car, not Benin. Gloria Adagbon speaks out. Hello and welcome to Igbo Area TV. Today we are talking about a trending issue, one that affects our brothers and sisters from Igbanke, a town located in Edo State. A strong voice from the community, Barrister Gloria Adagbon, has come out to say clearly, Igbanke is a car, not Benin. Let's break it all down in simple terms. Recently, 6 traditional rulers called Enogis from Igbanke were suspended by the Benin Traditional Council. The council claims that Igbanke is part of the Benin Kingdom and that these rulers disrespected the Oba of Benin by using titles like Obi and Eze, which are Igbo and Anioma titles. But Barrister Gloria Adagbon, a proud daughter of Igbanke and founder of the Igbanke Nationals Progressive Association, INPA, is standing up for her people. She says, "We are Eka people. We speak the Eka language. We are not Benin, and our culture is not Benin. Our kings are not under any kingdom. They rule independently." She said this in a Facebook post that has now gone viral. Gloria also explained something very important. Language and culture define identity. Even though Igbanke is inside Edo State, the people speak the Eka language, not the Benin language. Most Igbanke people cannot even speak or understand Benin. They speak Eka from birth, just like people in Abo, Umunede, and other Anioma communities in Delta State. In her words, just because some of us have Benin names doesn't make us Benin people. It's like saying someone with an English name is automatically British. That doesn't make sense. She even shared a personal story. When she visited Orionwom, her local government area in Edo, she felt like a stranger. Why? Because people there spoke a language she didn't understand. Benin. She had to look for someone to help her interpret. That's how different Igbanke is. Let's go back a bit. Before 1991, Igbanke and many other towns were part of Edo State. When General Ibrahim Babangida created Edo and Delta State, most Eka-speaking towns became part of Delta State, but Igbanke was placed in Edo, even though the people are clearly Eka. Since then, some people have tried to label Igbanke as a Benin town, but the people of Igbanke have not accepted that. Their language, culture, and roots say otherwise. Now, concerning tradition and autonomy, Gloria Adagbon made it clear. Our kings inherited their thrones from their fathers and forefathers. They are not under any kingdom. They are sovereign. She believes that the suspension of Igbanke monarchs by the Benin Council is wrong and an insult to the community. She says Igbanke is not trying to fight anyone, but they will not allow anyone to erase their true identity. Now, here is why this matters. This is not just about tradition. It's about identity, history, and respect. Across Nigeria, many communities struggle because of colonial borders or government decisions place them in the wrong states. Igbanke is a clear example. They may be in Edo State politically, but culturally, they are Anioma people, part of the larger Igbo family connected to Eka-speaking towns like Abo, Owa, Mbiri, and Umunede. And now with leaders like Gloria Adagbon speaking up, more people are learning the truth. At Igbo Area TV, we believe every community has the right to tell its own story. We support cultural truth, justice, and unity among our people. So what do you think? Should ethnicity be decided by language and tradition or by political borders? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories from Igbo land and beyond. Until next time, this is Igbo Area TV, keeping our culture alive.